In the capital planning process these days, we're talking a lot about data-driven decisions and being able to capture all of the data from across your assets and being able to compile those into one place to make decisions around budgeting has given us an edge over the processes that we've used in years past. Well, recently, we've worked with a customer that has a global set of manufacturing assets. We worked with them to develop an assessment scenario, compile all the data about their assets across their global base, and make some data-driven decisions that help them apply a very large capital budget in that planning year. Today, we have access to a new set of technology tools that allow us to capture and analyze data that really give the people who are managing budget decisions the access to different views of information that they haven't had previously. And being able to see things from different angles allows them to take new considerations that can really have a significant impact on a large capital budget.